What?
Okay.
You need it.
You need it.
You need it. What?
Please.
What do you say to Trey? I love it.
I love it.
Here. Show us how it works.
Whoa.
Check that out.
Oh my goodness. Oh, and she's texting back.
That is cool.
That is the coolest thing ever. I don't think he will ever put it down. Say thank you.
Thank you.
I love it.
I love it.
Show us how it goes down. All right.
Like, hey, take this cape off. I just want my lightsaber. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.